Don't buy property in inner city Baltimore, at least not until you watch this. Hey, real quick, if you want real estate strategy, property tours, and game you can actually use, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Because today I'm breaking down a real purchase right here in Canton, Baltimore, a property we recently helped our clients secure. And this one flips everything people think they know about buying in the city. Everybody's got an opinion about Baltimore real estate, but the truth is, if you know what you're doing, there's serious opportunity sitting in neighborhoods just like this. Let me show you what I mean. This is a 3-story Canton row home featuring 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. And right when you walk in, you're hit with that exposed brick wall, that classic Baltimore character that buyers love. You've got hardwood floors throughout, a clean, open layout, and great natural light flowing through the space. As you move through the home, the layout just works. You've got well-sized bedrooms, giving you flexibility whether you're living here full-time, sharing the space, or even thinking about rental potential. And this is exactly the type of opportunity we help our clients identify and move on. And this is where this purchase really starts to make sense, because you're not just buying a home, you're buying into Canton, one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Baltimore City. You're just minutes from Canton Waterfront Park and Patterson Park. So whether you want to get outside, go for a run, or just relax by the water, you've got that right here. You're surrounded by some of the best restaurants, bars, and coffee shops in Baltimore, all within walking distance. This is a true walkable lifestyle neighborhood, and that's exactly what today's buyers are looking for. And from a location standpoint, you've got quick access to downtown Baltimore, Johns Hopkins, I-95, and I-895, making commuting simple whether you're staying local or heading to DC. Now, from an investment standpoint, this is key. You've got young professionals, graduate students, and medical professionals all wanting to be in this area. That means strong resale value, rental potential, and long-term appreciation are all working in your favor. So when you combine a solid property with a location like this, you're not just buying a home, you're making a smart move. And let me show you the feature that really brings it all together. This right here is what city living is all about. Your own private rooftop deck, perfect for relaxing after a long day, entertaining friends, or just taking in the views of the city. And this is why buying a home in a neighborhood like Canton, when you do it right, just makes sense. If you're thinking about buying in Baltimore or anywhere in the DMV and want to make a move like this, reach out to me directly. Let's put a strategy together that works for you.